Myinvestor versus Degiro. Let's start with Myinvestor. So, Myinvestor is a Spanish neobank and broker regulated by the Banco de España. It is integrated with banking and investment services like the robo-advisors, index funds, ETFs, mortgages, and term deposits. So, let's talk about its pros. So, it has a strong regulation by Spanish Central Bank and CNMV. They even have a commission-free index fund purchases a fee of up to 0.45% for robo portfolios. They even have no custody or trading fees on funds for at least 4 years, and it has an interest-bearing current account and term deposit. The only downside is it has some currency fees and there's no support for options, futures, and bonds, which is unsuitable for active traders. Now, Tigero, on the other hand, is a Dutch discount broker regulated by AFM, Buffin, and offering a vast range of instruments, including stocks, ETFs, bonds, options, and futures via its low-cost pricing model. So it is very regulated in EU and they have a very low trading fee, which is £1 for core selection ETFs and low fixed fees on others. They even have no account opening, inactivity, or withdrawal fees. They also have a broad instrument range, including futures, options, bonds, and global markets. And lastly, they have a platform interface which is very modern, award-winning, plus educational. The only downside is there's no interest on the idle cash, only opportunity costs. So in conclusion, choose My Investor if you want regulation and speed and seamless banking and investing in one app. And go with Digero if you're a cost-conscious European trader needing access to a wide range of ETFs, stocks, options, and the global market.